Alright guys, in today's video, I'm going to talk about the top 3 things that I hate and had to replace on my only 300 mile Icebear Maddogg 150cc. So number 1 is going to be these headlights. The housing inside of them actually cracks when you hit any bump, really, causing you to either need to replace this headlight completely with a nicer one, or you replace it with a cheap crappy one, which I've got a really cool 6-speed headlight coming in for this one, and I'm going to do a do-it-yourself video on how to install it and just show you guys how it looks. So if you want to see that, subscribe, let me know. The second thing is going to be the starting system. So pretty much right off the bat when I got this, either the stator, the voltage regulator, or the battery has been bad pretty much the entire time. So I keep kickstarting it. Once it runs, it's fantastic, but it's been an issue just getting it to start all the time. I thought it was the battery, so I replaced the battery and charged the battery. But now it's still doing it, so it's probably the regulator or the stator. If you guys want to see a video on that, sub. I'm going to do that next. I'm going to tap into why this isn't starting up all the time and why it's just running dead all the time. And the third thing has to be the fuel lines. I don't know what they give you out of the factory from China, but the fuel lines that are in there most likely are not rated for fuel. Because I was messing with the carburetor, messing with the fuel pump, and I immediately noticed that the fuel lines themselves were already starting to get dry rotted. That doesn't normally happen to any other vehicle I've ever owned, especially not when it only has 300 miles on it. That's obviously an issue, and I will address that as well. Again, if you want to see that, sub. I'll do a video on it. Super easy install. But the fuel lines and the fuel clamps that it comes with are just absolutely garbage. Thank you guys for watching today's video. I don't do a lot of videos on the Chuckus or the Icebear, so if you guys want to see more content on that, comment below. Let me know what you guys want to see. My channel is typically filled with car stuff, so I've got my AP1 S2000 that's got an F20 in it. I've got my S14 Rocket Bunny Boss Kit with the LT124X V8 conversion in it, and currently building an LS2 S2000. So if you guys want to see anything on my channel, feel free to sub. If you want to see more on this thing, comment below. Let me know what you guys want to see. Should be really easy for me to work on, especially since I've had my fair share of working on cars. But learning a lot here and excited to learn with you guys. So subscribe, hit that like button if you liked what you saw. Comment below. Thanks again for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.